Ladies and gentlemen, this is Today with BK. I'm here with this 2017 Chevrolet SS. It's a 6-speed manual. Y'all have seen these all over YouTube, so I don't have to really try to introduce it. But this one, I'm going to show you a cold start. It's not very cold, ambient temperature, it's about 90 something. But it has been sitting in this garage, which is about 82 degrees. So excuse it, it's a little dirty. But I'm going to do a cold start for you because I'm going to install the VCM OTR on it. Currently it is stock. So that's the whole point of this, is to review this car and also be able to see the difference in the exhaust sound and the way it sounds in the car and feels after that. Start this thing, I've removed the fuse for the sport mode to always sound like it's in sport but ride in my touring mode, which is nice. Yeah, that's the mode selector, and so I'm just warming it up right now, just trying to take a cruise here. It's got 22,420 on it. I've done nothing to it. It's factory. I know some guys like all the Holden badges, but my preference is not to switch it over. That's why we live in a free country for preferences. Torque that it has, that even from about 35 you can keep it in 6th gear if you want. I know it's not good for fuel, but at least it would it could go. So just to show a pull here, we'll go down to, I don't know, maybe about 40. Shows you the pull there, what this thing has. I was going down the interstate, going to a Cars and Coffee, and I had an individual want to race me. So about 70, I was stuck in 3rd, and boy, it took off. So it's a fun car. With my clutch movements, but I'm wearing these shoes with a little more cushion, and so I had to get used to them. And I have another vehicle with a clutch as well, and it's a lot different. Alright, just a little walk around now that it's out of the garage. It was ceramic coated, so you have to excuse the dirtiness. I haven't been able to wash it. It's just been so hot. I guess everyone knows that right now. I don't have to just think in the southeast, you know, or everywhere right now. Hopefully we're gonna get some reprieve. Alright, let's pop the hood real quick. This is the interior here, as you can see. Mileage. It's a little dirty. I got to vacuum this out, so right now, get my one hand here. Right now, this is the sound of it I have my external mic right now. It had a little problem, so I'm working on that. But as you can see, it's all original. And what I'm going to do is put the VCM OTR, which is over the radiator, cold air intake in here, and remove all this factory intake. I think it has cleaned it up, looks a lot nicer. It's back and forth on what people think about it, but as you can see, it's 14 to 72. So anyway, that's what it sounds like. That's what it looks like right now. Before I do that, it's still got factory markings on it. I'm the second owner. All the factory markings are in there. So I'm looking forward to getting that on. We can hear the difference in the sound. But that's all I'm gonna provide right now for this. I will change out this intake for cold air VCM OTR, and we'll come back and see what it sounds like.